Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing some unboxing videos. They're all going to be separate videos, but that's what I'm doing, so that's why everything looks the same if you watched whatever was before this one. The next box I'm going to do today is the Allure Beauty Box for March. I know I just did the February one, but I was real late in getting that up, so this one will be a little bit more on time. So I have not looked, I have not even opened this. I haven't looked online for spoilers. So we'll find out together what we got. So this box, I've already opened this. You will have already seen that, but it's not, or you will see it in a minute, I should say. There's nothing in here that I'm going to be trying on, so this won't be a try-on style, so it's not gonna be near as long as the one from last month. So I just wanted you to know that going into this, it's not a try-on style. I do go over everything in the box and put up the value and all that stuff, but it's not going to be a try-on. The products in here aren't really that kind of a thing. So I just wanted you to know that going into this. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like these subscription unboxings, let me know. I don't get them all the time, like I've said. If you want me to do these kind of videos, let me know and I'll keep doing them. I'm gonna post them anyway, but it's nice to know that you like them if you like them. Yeah, so we'll just get back into the video. This box is $23 a month plus taxes. It's a mix of full size, trial size, sample size, that kind of thing. So right when you open the box, this is what we've got. They will give you a pamphlet telling you what is in the box and how much the full size value of the item is. You don't, like I said, you don't always get a full size, but so we're not going to open that yet. And then they also do special deals with certain brands and products, so there's special codes on here for that. And then they're still doing the Allure Beauty Awards. I think that's what this is for. No, that's not what this is for. Our commitment to you. Blah, blah, blah. If you're ever not completely satisfied with an item you receive from us, please contact our customer care team and we'll do our very best to make it right. We value your loyalty. Thank you for being a part of the Allure Beauty Box community. That's interesting. If there's anything in here I'm not crazy about, I may contact them just to see what that process is like. So, here's the products in the box. Oh, here's the Allure Beauty Awards thing. There's a little QR code on the back so you can vote. Not have to plug anything in. So first thing I'm gonna grab is this Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. If this is just a black one, yes. I really enjoy tubing mascaras. They're so mess free to remove. Like, it's not smearing all over. There's no black stuff all over your face. There are little, like, the tubes will come off, but I don't mind that at all. So I'm really excited to try that out. I'm not gonna open it until I'm ready to use it, because I have a couple mascaras already open and I don't want to open this one because then once you open it, clock's a ticking. Next thing I see is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin. This is clearly just a teeny tiny. I need to maybe hold things over here. That might be a little more natural for me, but so that'll be nice, like a travel size thing. Then we have Briochio Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. This is another small size. It is 1 fluid ounce. I can't remember if I've tried this before or not, but I'm very excited to try it. If I have not. This is also a teeny tiny Origins Ginseng. It says ginseng, not ginseng, ginseng. Oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. There's that. And then we have 3 more things in the box. We have Shani, I'm not sure. Darden, Retinol, Reform, Retinol plus Aj Serum, 0.3 fluid ounces in the evening and gradually work your way up to using more of the product. Cult favorite Retinol and AHA Serum is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles, helps firm and brighten for visibly glowing, youthful looking skin, oil-free, fragrance-free, and vegan. All right. Clinically proven in just 8 weeks to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brightness, texture, elasticity. So there's that. And let's see. AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. Concentrated eye cream for the whole face. That sounds a little gimmicky to me. There's a thing on here, it says scan here. Not sure what for. You have to install an app. Their app. Scan the little like code thing to check if this is an authentic product. Okay. Concentrated eye cream that can be used on the whole face for a youthful appearance and resilient skin. Well, I may be downloading their little app and seeing this is authentic. I don't know. Last thing in the box is this clean and effective, Tula, refreshing and brightening face mist. Has probiotics, prebiotics, hyaluronic acid, and kiwi fruit water, and lingonberry. Cool. Sounds like it has one of those little balls in there to mix it up. 3.51 fluid ounces. So I will pop up, hopefully I will have popped up the value of each product, not like the full size if it's not a full size, but whatever the actual value of the size we got, I'll pop that up on the screen and then I'll tell you the total value somewhere on the screen. So I will leave a link below to sign up for Allure. It's not an affiliate link, it's just like, you know, if you're subscribed to these kind of boxes, you get a referral link, so anyone that does this can do that. It's not, Allure doesn't know who I am. So I will leave that down below if you're interested in signing up. This is a monthly subscription, and just be forewarned, it's a little difficult to cancel. If you want to cancel, you can skip it and not fully cancel, but that's also kind of difficult because it doesn't allow you to skip it until there's like a really small window you can skip it, and then if you don't do that, well, you're getting the box. So just be forewarned. I do like the box. I like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus better than Allure, but we still got it this month. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, bye.